Hi there, welcome to Avatar Jam Review. This is Govind and welcome to you on Tag Evoke. I'm gonna showing you the Avatar Jam Review that is available for one-time offer, and you can create your own avatar and the custom avatars with the help of this software. So we will cover all the things, what are the upgrades of this software, what is the software exactly, and how you can get benefited with this software. So we are on the sales page and the landing page of Avatar Jam. You can see right now in front of your screen, and this is the official website. And let's see what vendor said about this software. So world's first AI-based custom avatar builder and video maker platform at a low one-time price. Get instant access to the world's first AI-based custom avatar builder platform to create unlimited stunning videos in any niche in just 30 seconds. So you can create videos and also generate custom avatar with the help of Avatar Jam. So this is all about Avatar Jam definition and the introduction. So this software is available with the stock videos and the stock images, also with the video templates and scenes. So you will get benefited for graphic designing and the videos stock for your business, for growing your online marketing. So now, before going to start the demonstration, I want to show you something excited for you. This is my official website, that is techevoke.com, and I have shared a full flash Avatar Jam review where I am offering you the full flash helpful bonuses with this Avatar Jam software. So this is the bonus one I have shared. I am sharing you. This is Divi Builder. This is stock image blowout, and so on. And these are the transparent PNG images, and here are the lots of bonuses that will definitely benefit to you in your business if you are into online marketing, and if you want to grow your business, and you want to find the worthful and the helpful assets for your business, then these are the bonuses that are definitely help you for growing your business. So don't forget to check out these bonuses. The link is available on the description. You can go anytime and check these bonuses. So along with my bonuses, here are the Avatar Jam bonuses that are offered by the vendor of Avatar Jam. These bonuses are also available on the sales page of Avatar Jam. Once you go to the official website of Avatar Jam to buy this software, then you will find the bonuses in the bottom area of this official website. So these are the bonuses you will get absolutely free with the front end, and if you go for any of the OTO of Avatar Jam, then the bonus one is the logo jam. So if you want to design, if you have any need of designing the logo, then you will get this bonuses absolutely free with the Avatar Jam. So this is the design jam. So designer jam allows you to create images and vectors graphics within the cloud-based dashboard. You don't need to learn Photoshop. So this is the photo editor you will get with the Avatar Jam. So this is the bonus 2, and bonus 3 is 100 plus marketing emails. So if you have any need of email copies, then you will get email marketing templates with this Avatar Jam. This is the bonus of 4. This is the 80% discount on all upgrades. So this is an existing bonus, and you don't need to go for any other resources. You will get already 80% discount on the upgrades. So these are the bonuses. Along with my bonuses, you will get absolutely free with Avatar Jam. So let's start the demonstration. So I hope you like this avatar jam demonstration, how it works and what are the things you can do with avatar jam. So this is end of this avatar gem review, and don't forget to check out my bonuses. These are available and the link is available on the description. These are very beneficial bonuses. If you go with my link, then only you will get the bonuses. So if you when you click on any of the official website, then you will landed on the official website of avatar gem. Once you buy the avatar gem, any of the OTO or front end, then you will get all the bonuses absolutely free. So before ending this video, I want to show you OTOs and upgrades of avatar gem, because in JVZoo and Warrior Plus, all the softwares and the courses are available with OTOs and upgrades. If you go for only front end, then you will not get the full access of that software or that course. So these are the OTOs and upgrades. So in front end, if you go for only front end, this is front end, you will get fully cloud based system, generate and customize unlimited custom avatars. So these are the things you will get on $17. And if you go for OTO 1, this is the OTO 1 avatar gem pro plus unlimited resale license. Then this is another OTO avatar gem agency, that is $47. This is the agency license. You can offer your services by doing the work with the help of avatar gem and provide that work to another agencies or the individual business. This is the OTO for avatar gem app builder. So if you want to go for any app builder and if you have need of app builder, then you can go for this OTO. This is the OTO, another OTO, that is avatar gem automation. And if you want to go for automation, then go for this upgrade. This is OTO 5 avatar gem white label edition. So this is the white label. You can resell this software to others. So white label means reseller license, and this will provide you in only $97. So you can rebrand it and make your own software avatar gem, then you can offer this. So this is end of this avatar gem review. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then comment down below and also like this video. And if you are new in this channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. Also don't forget to check out my bonuses.